Video progression is a very useful feature in Simplylearn. When using video progression, the user needs to watch the entire video before continuing in the course. Let me show you how it works. First, find a lesson where you would like to use video progression. Click Edit and go to Settings. Now turn on video progression using the toggle switch. Add your video URL. There are a few settings I would like to highlight. You can choose that the video needs to be watched before associated steps in the lesson or after. If you want the video to start automatically and show control displays, turn on these options. Be aware that if using Vimeo for your videos, you need to set your control display settings directly on your Vimeo account. Here you see how it looks like in the course. If you rather want the video to appear somewhere else than at the top, you need to go back and go to the lesson page. Type in this shortcode wherever you want the video to appear. You find the shortcode in the help desk article. Now you see that the video appears below the text. Enjoy using video progression.